Now Shaunda always gets your girl together. Salon Cass, you know, beautiful shop, beautiful hair all the time, every time. Hey. What's good, Shaunda dolls? Welcome to Hair by Shaunda TV. This is Shaunda, and I will be slaying this quick weave blunt bob on my client, my girl Gabby. Yes, so what I'll be using today is 2 bundles of 16-inch Salon Cass Virgin Premium hair. This is body wave, as you can see. And usually I would use the Wonder Weave wrap, you know, the liquid latex stuff, on top of the stocking cap, but she requested not to have that done. So we're just going to go right in with applying these glue tracks to her stocking cap. If you look on the top of her stocking cap, it's like a little sticky part up there. I was getting ready to put the Wonder Weave wrap on, but she was like, no, let's not do it. So she always gets the quick weave without the Wonder Weave wrap. So her hair is super healthy, super thick, super long. So, the glue don't take everybody's hair out. You know what I mean? And it's not like she's going to have a whole bunch of glue globbed in her hair anyway, because she has a stocking cap. So it works for her. So, yeah. So the brand of glue that I use is the 30-second Salon Pro Super Hair Bond Glue. It comes in a red and purple bottle. That's my favorite glue, y'all. And I'm going to tell y'all, this is what I noticed. And if you're a stylist and you notice this too, please leave a comment if you agree with me or not. But I noticed the medium-sized bottle has the best glue in it. Whenever I buy the really, really big bottle, the tall bottle, I don't know. I usually get the 4-ounce bottle. I don't know. I think is it 8-ounce bottle? It's watered down, and then the glue in the really small 2-ounce bottle is really gooky and sticky. I noticed that. I don't know. Over the years that I've been doing hair, I noticed that. Tell me if I'm tripping or not. See how I'm massaging that track into her stocking cap? I'll be trying to make sure these tracks don't go anywhere. So when I lay my track down, I just kind of push it, and I use my thumbs to slide back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until it is really, really stuck. I usually use like some Pump It Up spray or something, some spritz or hairspray to assist with sticking the tracks down. That works really well for me too. But then a lot of my clients complain like, it's hard to take out, we can't take it out. Like, I got one client, y'all, she keep her quick weaves for like 2-3 months, wash it and everything like it's a whole sew-in. Like, I guess I really be nailing these tracks down. Okay, if y'all don't mind, I'm just going to kind of put this video in cruise control for the rest of the time. Like, all I'm going to be doing is laying tracks all the way to the top, and then I'm going to cut off the excess stocking cap that's at the top, which you'll see once I get to that point. And did y'all see what I did, though? How I just laid that track on my sleeve and then put the glue on the track. That's how I mess my clothes up. That's why I don't buy expensive clothes to wear to work anymore. Like, I used to have to be True Religioned up and all that stuff. I don't give a bleep about none of that stuff no more. You know what? And I don't care if I get, glue and product on my clothes. I do whatever I can do to get the job done as fast and efficiently as I can for me. It's all good. Like, I can't wear an apron. I know somebody like, wear an apron. I can't. That's too many clothes. Like, I don't know. I just can't. I would wear an apron in hair school years ago, and I would be so irritated. I would unzip it. I would untie it. I cannot wear an apron. I don't like that strap hanging around my neck, hanging down with stuff in my pocket. I can't. I cannot do it. Just give me my regular clothes. And if they get messed up, oh well, this is a work shirt. Okay? Okay, so now I'm all finished laying down her tracks. The quick weave is all installed, and now I'm getting ready to flat iron these bundles bone straight because she wants it straight. No curl, no bend, no nothing, no bump, nothing. Bone, sleek, straight. All right. Let me sell y'all these flat irons real quick though. Okay, this is the Silk Master Professional Titanium Plated Flat Iron. The link to this flat iron can be found in the description box below. And I do have coupon codes, but you have to find them in my other videos. Go check out some of my other videos and see if you can find a coupon code. I usually give out some really good discounts, like 30 to 40% off in my coupon code. So I'm real generous with the giving, okay? So if you check out my other videos and find a coupon code, good luck. All right. All right, so now I'm getting ready to, her hair is natural. So just want to throw that out there. Her hair is natural. She doesn't have a relaxer. So I'm getting ready to blend her real hair, her natural hair, with the Brazilian bundles. So, and it, I mean, one swipe and it gets the hair super straight and it falls right in with the bundles. Undetectable, you can't even tell. This quick weave is going to look so natural. That's what I aim for. So that's what she's getting. I also want to add that I just applied Hot Blocker Heat Protectant to her hair by Castley Haircare. I didn't put any like kind of wax or anything on it. I only put a heat protectant. So I don't know how my camera missed that. I couldn't find it anywhere, but just want to let you guys know that I wasn't just flat ironing her hair without any product. I did use a Hot Blocker Heat Protectant on her hair. Now tell me that ain't blended. Okay, tell me that is not blended. The color, everything. The texture, everything. Bone straight, sleek, silky looking, blended, baby, blended. So I like to use my little wall liners to cut my bobs. It's just so easy for me. It's like this, the shears. I like to use my shears too, but this is just so much quicker for me, and I can just go like in a straight line and make sure that everything is cut nice and even. Like it makes it so crispy, the blunt cut. So I'm done with this. I'm all finished. Just doing some little touch-ups on the bob, little loose hairs that might be a little bit longer than the rest. I'm gonna apply some edge control to the top of her, the front part of her edges that's left out. And she's done because she said she don't want it curl. She said don't bump it, don't do nothing, leave it bone straight. So you have reached the end of this video. Okay, it's been fun. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, please. Please subscribe if you haven't. Tell your friends to subscribe. Share this video, like, comment, all that good stuff. God bless. Get your girl together. Salon Cass, you know, beautiful shop, beautiful hair all the time, every time. Make sure you click the link in the description box to grab your very own Silk Master Professional Titanium Plated Flat Iron. And don't forget to also click the link for my book, Breakthrough Tips on Becoming a 100K Hairstylist and Have Fun Doing It, written by me. Pick it up, grab it in your iTunes for your iBooks or Amazon for your Kindle.